Okay, greetings all to you dear friends. This is our next video on servo motors. So we're going to control servo motors. We're going to see how to control a servo motor using a joystick. Joystick usually see it in PlayStations. Yeah, but those ones are wireless. But with time we're going to see how to use wireless ones. So for now we're going to use a wired one. So this is a sketch. I did that already and I compiled. So I'm just going to explain it somehow. Yeah, with a servo motor, it has its own special library which you need to call the header file. That's servo.h. We're going to see to other sensors. We have ultrasonic sensors is known as newpink.h. So for now we are with servo. So we're going to say servo.h. That's it. So with servo right now you need to create classes. So they are somehow like classes of servo. So with this same word servo here, as you can see dop, yeah, a dop right now somehow is one of the class under my servo. So you can create 3 different classes of servo depending on the fact that you have 3 servo motors, because each of them are going to be assigned a pin. So for this initialize case here, in jx equals to a0, therefore our joystick. On our joystick you are going to see stuff of rx on it. Yeah, so the x there right now, the j stands for joy and the x stands for x, normal x on the joystick. So that's the way it is. And we initialize 2 variables x and y in which we are going to use it here, of course. At the level right now of our voice setup, yeah, like I told you already, if you are creating 3 servo motors, you make sure you have 3 different classes, because if each of them we have their pin on the arduino. So for the servo motor I created here, dop, yeah, I attach it to pin 9. So when I'll be taking the connection, I'll put it to pin 9 at a void loop right now. So actually this joystick gives out signal analog in analog form, that's continuous. So right now this signal needs to be mapped onto a certain guy, that's either x or y. But right now here there's an error, it has to be y. So we correct that y and it take an analog read from y. Okay, and here also there's another error, it has to be spacebar. Okay, our code right now is okay to go. Yeah, so we have mapped right now the analog pulse from our joystick at the point x to x. Like I told you already about the mapping, what we have at the first position is an analog signal, second position is always 0, and the third position is 1023. What we have right now, the last two are somehow the exchanging values, that the x will be lying between 900 and 2100. Same case going for y. So this is our dop again that we created already with our servo. We're going to say dop dot write. Write here means that what, it gets an output from the arduino. So servo motor rotate 180 degree. So you get that value of x and rotate that value of x in degrees. So that's all about the code. Delay right now will depend on you, how you have time, whatever, it depends on you. So that's all about the code. Let's look right now at the coding and the connection. Dear friends, here right now we're in our connections. Here is the joystick we're talking of. As you can see, it has ground, 5 volt, RX, RY, and SW, but SW won't be used. Yeah. So and here we have our 7 motors. Sorry. Yeah, it has 3 wire. One red, one brown, and one yellow. The brown is for ground, the red is for the power supply, and the yellow is for the pin. So right now we're going to do the connections. Yeah. So here we have our yellow. It's going to pin 9 as we set in our code. Okay, for the yellow, it goes to pin 9 as set in our code. The brown right now goes to the ground. Okay, so that's it for the servo motor, the connections. So the joystick right now, the GND goes to the ground. The 5 volt right now goes to the 5 volt supply on the Arduino. RX here right now, according to what we said in our code, RX is going to be connected to A0 or the Arduino board while RY is going to be connected to A1 on the Arduino board. So let's do the connections. Okay, so that's the way we're going to connect the joystick. Just do the connections. So I explain them somehow and do the connections. That's it all. Joystick is connected. So and then servo motor is connected. Here's our Arduino right now. We're going right now maybe to place it on our laptop. Okay, so I've powered right now Arduino. You can see the light is shining, and this is a code we were writing. Though somehow light is disturbing. Okay, so we're just going to load our code. You know where to tap load on Arduino. We're loading it in the Arduino. Okay, so right now loading our code, they are showing us an error. We're going to move to our tools. Yeah, you can change the port. Somehow you place it at COM4. Yeah, COM4 right now. On COM4, you upload back the code. So it's uploading right now. Okay, it has done uploading. Hope you get the voice of the servo motor. That's our servo motor. Here's our joystick. So the code has uploaded. Let's control right now the servo motor. Okay, so actually I started already controlling, but it got to this step because our ground was not connected actually, but to ground, but to a different pin. So but right now, as you can see, here it is. We're controlling our servo motor using our joystick. Hope you are seeing. Okay, so actually that's the way it has to function. Okay, thanks you guys very much for watching, but I'm still going to make a resume, an explanation again, like to make sure it's okay everywhere. So like I said already, here is a joystick. It has GND. GND goes to ground on Arduino. 5 volt goes to 5 volt on Arduino. RX here right now, it goes to what we precise in our code. That is A0 is we precise X. JX as A0, and right now RY right now goes to what we precise in our code. That's E1. That's where the connection is done. And right now for the servo motor, I say it comes with 3 pins. The brown, which goes to the ground, the red, which goes to the power supply, that's the 5 volt, and the yellow right now, who goes to the pin issue attached on the Arduino. Okay, thanks you guys very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to follow the next in which we'll be controlling this using a remote control from your house. So keep touching my channel. See you guys next time.